Good morning everyone, welcome back to another show. PHEV is coming back today. So guys, good morning, welcome back to another episode of Unplugged EV. Special episode, PHEV gets a new heart, new life, new season. We've got new arrows, we've got a new ping sound. Yeah, I'm not sure about this actually, I haven't found the right one yet. This is the old one. That's the new one. I'm not sure. So maybe we keep the old one. Many of you have requested shorter videos, and that's why I have decided to cut down on the intro. Freaking car key! Why do you need a key to start this freaking... So cutting back on the intro saves us 15 seconds per show. Times 250 a year, that's a lot of... Oh my god, season 2 of Unplugged EV, sunny hot Australia. Who would have thought a year ago? More than 1700 subscribers now and another 1.5 million watching. What an achievement. Yes, so I thought the PHEV gets a new heart, a new battery, a new life. We start with a new life for the channel as well and doing something a little bit different sometimes. I don't know yet, I need to work this all out, I have no idea. I just thought after making over 200 videos, it's time for a change. And I want to keep this all interesting here. Come on guy, come on, you can do it, you can do it. Yep. You're welcome. It's what we do here in Australia. We are nice to each other, not on the road of course, but usually we are. So you have seen I took the extension cable this morning. I probably need to recharge the PHEV at work. I'm not sure what the state of charge is. The app is not working, so obviously they have not turned on the remote. The car doesn't have all this shit. I've got a customer appointment in Cominya. This is where we did the test drive. Oh, you haven't seen that yet. Right. I need to drive to Cominya after work and then back home. This all in total is a distance of 53 kilometers. Yes, and we've got a brand new battery, and she told me on the phone yesterday everything went well and it's quite impressive and it's all good, and they don't want to provide me with the procedures and test results on the negative side. I keep working on this. So I probably need to recharge the car to make it dead full before I leave. And then we go for a 53 kilometer drive. This will be the first test. I'm not sure if I show this in this episode here, maybe not, because we want to keep them shorter. So I probably show this in tomorrow. Just tomorrow then. You know, just tomorrow. I've got the other OBD adapter with me, I've got the charging cable with me, I've got my mobile phone. Relax Andy, relax, it's all good. It's all happening today. Jeez, I'm so excited. I wasn't excited like this. I wasn't excited like this since I bought the PHEV from the dealership. So, not sure what will happen today. I'll take you with me and... Give me some fresh air. I should take off my shirt actually. I hope I can share some of this excitement with you guys. Are you excited? You're not? Well, then maybe click the link down below and hop to the Disney Channel, because this here is the channel where it all happens. This is where the action and the magic happens. So stay tuned. See you soon, PHEV. It is time, my friends, it is time. I'm going to pick up the PHEV. Why do people say PHEV? That sounds... OBD's bare adapter, gate opener, all the other stuff in the boot, sun shield. I must admit, I'm a bit excited to pick up the car and oh god, I'm not sure what to expect. Okay, let's fire up this baby for the last time. There we go. Guys, I bet they will like the blinker tone here very much. Oh, I think I can see it. Yeah, there it is. Outlander PHEV. That's it. That's mine. 927 kilometers. How many kilometers have we driven here? 308 kilometers we have driven. And I put $30 of fuel in it. So it's $10 per 100 kilometers. This is expensive! There you go. Actually see if the OBD adapter is in there. No. But there it is, as always. Here's my iCar. Here it is. Okay. Just drop off the key. Safety. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Mobile phone. PHEV Watchdog. I just wanted to turn the key. After a week, I'm used to turning the key to turn on the car. Really. All right. Here it comes. Brake. Power. It's almost fully charged anyway. Shows me 33 kilometers. An almost fully charged battery. Start live data. Other way. Right. 96.1% state of health. That is not good. That's only 96.1% for a brand new battery. Okay, let's have a look at the battery conditions. They haven't done a dB cam or something, nothing. It's just a reset. See, it went up from 70.5 to 96.1. So they haven't done any procedures on the car, nothing, and the battery is not at 100% as it should be, as you would expect it from a brand new battery, wouldn't you? That immediately triggers an email to Mitsubishi and saying, please redo. I guess they should keep the loan car here. Should I inform them? No, that's not up to me. Ah, they've reset the blinker tone again. It's not the PHEV tone we want. Right, that is super disappointing. Okay, we will see what's see, it shows me only 26 kilometers here on the gasometer with the aircon on. 32 kilometers. Let's have a look at the birthday of the battery. It's 60 days old. Just want to have a quick look at the battery sticker. The battery sticker shows 1018. So October 2018. Okay, I guess the car goes back into service in a couple of days, maybe next week, to get all the other procedures done. So still, they made the experience with the first car who got the battery replaced, and they have not communicated, not shared these information with other dealerships, saying, look, if you get a PHEV to replace the battery, do these and these and these procedures afterwards. Otherwise, the guy with the camera is coming back and hunt you. Well, here we are. Happy birthday, battery. All right, and well, the customer experience lady yesterday on the phone said it came back pretty good. So 96% is pretty good for a brand new battery. I don't know. I don't think this is acceptable at all. But you know, I've got the first time a battery capacity change detected in plus Okay, thumbnail. What else can we get from here? Everything is reset, of course. There's no AC/DC charge on there. So 4.05 volts. We are at 89%. Why do I get this wrong all the time? Okay, including air conditioning, we are down to 25 kilometers, which is about 7 miles or so. That's how it feels like. Well, I'm not happy with that, and I'll tell you, at least they washed the car up there. Damn it! I was really hoping they exchange knowledge now and get this right the first time, but apparently it seems like they are not. Why would you not publish this within your dealership organization email newsletter and say, look, you've been tasked to replace a PHEV battery. Make sure you do all the procedures below to keep the guy with the camera happy and make the car work. That is just, oh my, that is terrible. That is super terrible. Why is it at 96% only? I'll take a screenshot here. It looks like this is all totally unstructured. It's not coordinated. They're not talking to each other. This poor guy over there I just talked to, I think it was Chris, I don't know, he hasn't got a name badge on it. Was this Chris? I think so. He didn't know anything about the car. He said, look, if you have any questions, you have to talk to Mitsubishi or to Wumba. They haven't done anything. They didn't get any information at all. And I said, why are they not building like an email list and say, look, this is the task, you are involved, you do the job, you handle the customer, you do this is your task, and inform everyone what's going on. Nothing. And he was just looking down and shaking his head and said, no, that's not going to happen here. So obviously there's this strong competition thinking within the dealership organization at Mitsubishi, and they don't want to deal with each other with all this shit, you know. I should go a little bit. It's just so annoying. It's not a big deal to do. It's an easy task to communicate, but then you get these results and you get these customers. What are you doing?